this will start coming on. Yeah, so amazing. This is how you start the stream at this point. And then look, now it's already. You've got Antonio in the room because I've sent a link, and here we go. So now the stream starts. So yeah, I'll put a little timeline on for the stream. So yeah, guys, see you in a bit. What up, what up, what up? Right.
Good morning, good morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Chilling, my G.
Good stuff, good stuff. Right, I think we've got the live stream on. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this on over here. I just filmed a little YouTube video doing like a day in the life of a streamer. So, oh, looks like GJ is pushing nicely. Okay. Ooh, hello. So it's actually starting to hit to our 151 at 550 zone. Oh shit, I shouldn't have deleted that. So let's do a quick analysis. I'm also gonna do actually do an Instagram post, all that good stuff. I've got in a buy over here. So this is good. This is just closed on support, which is a bit annoying, but we should be good for buys, I think. What up, what up? We're back live. We're on the live stream. Make sure you come in. We're looking for GJ buys. Hell yeah. Okay, so we are actually flipping already. Oh shit. So let's have a look over here. God, it's annoying. I've just came on and we're right on. Oh, we're breaking above. Oh shit. Okay. So this is too close to the 30 minute, to be honest, in my case. But let's have a look. Kind of wanted to make a low wick. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I'll get some music on as well in a sec. So yeah, it's a shame that I just came on literally instantly. But hey ho. I'm gonna be waiting a bit longer, I think. You can see these wicks over here. Kind of want to be careful with these, but it does look like with volume we are starting to push off over here. Filling these wicks up at this point. So let's just do a analysis here. Let's just get our fresh analysis. 1 second, I'll just get some lo-fi music on. So yeah, we're really looking for this advisory here. That's way too loud. There you go. Okay, your voice is low. Okay, I'll get my voice here. My voice is here. I think it's not low anymore. Let's check it out. Yeah, my voice is good now. Got some cool things and I can show you today, like these. Look at that thing on there, it's pretty cool. But yeah, welcome guys. We are looking for GJ buys at this point. Oh, desktop audio is way too loud there. Get the fuck down. So it looks like GJ is running up nicely over here. For me, I'm gonna have to wait for a pullback on the hourly, I think. But it looks like we are running up. This is annoying because I literally just started the stream. I wanted to relax in and wait for this, but it looks like it's been doing this pretty much instantly. These are our zones 784. I looked for. Let's look at the daily time frame over here. Wow, that was a rush and a half. Jesus Christ! I might come on at 7 a bit now. I think. Looks like there's lots of moves before then. But let's just look here. So this is the daily flip. Let's look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is very bullish over here, and we're pumping nicely now. Damn, straight away here, a nice 10 pips already. Shame we couldn't catch it because we just started. Music is high. Is the music high anymore? Shouldn't be. But yeah, today we are looking for GJ buys for sure, but it's just how I get into them, hey. So kind of want to wait for this candle to close in half an hour's time to give me kind of if we are going to break this, because getting in now is too hard. I kind of want to wait for a little pullback. So we'll see. Let's look at targets to the left. So we've got this wick fill over here. Can you see? Right here. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for buys, but it's just hard to get in because we've just been so pushed in. If this was before over here, I probably would have entered, to be honest, but it's just because it was so early on in the candle and also early on in my live stream. It just started. But it's good because we've still got London volume to come, so we've got a lot of time over here. Yeah, let's just check these buttons out. I'm just checking my mic and everything. Let's put that desktop audio down a bit. But yeah, I've got these cool like pop-ups. Look at this shit. Wait, where the fuck's that working? Oh, there's that one. And that one as well. Why is the second middle one not working? What the fuck? There we go. Okay, nice. I'm just getting the lo-fi beat on properly. Don't want it too loud for you guys. There we go. Okay, good morning, squad. So yes, we're going to be looking for some buys here. We are still running very, very nicely. Goddamn. 34 views already. We just started the stream. Amazing. So yeah, I'm going to be waiting for this close here to give us a direction of how we could get in at this point. Because we wanted buys above 151,550 yesterday, and we still want this 151,550. Right here, and we've got the closure. The closure didn't really close out strongly above, but a really strong candle anyway. And it's just how to get in now. Preferably waiting for this hourly to close, because if this hourly pulls all the way back, then we know we're rejecting it. So, but anyway, what did everyone do yesterday? Did you guys get some trades? I nearly snacked that gold trade, man. I was in the Discord with everyone. We were vibing, and I got into a sell position, a sell stop. I'll show you where it was. Let's just do a fresh thing. I got into a sell stop when this hourly closed bearish right here, then this one wicked up, and then this one exceeded its low right here. I got in there, right here, stop loss above, so it's 20 pip stop, and I got to 10 pips, and it came to my break even, and then it launched 100. I was so annoyed. But oh well, what can happen, eh? Where was it? Yeah, it was 130 because I said 130. Yeah, look at this. Got in here, then this candle wicked me out, and then went boof. Look at that. Would have had 100 pips there. Shit would have been fire. But anyway, let's just do a bit of gold analysis here. So gold flip is right here. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I've got all of my cool things on now, so that does it for me, which is pretty cool. Right here. And there we go. Cool, wicked. Alright, I'm gonna have to change that one because that desktop audio is not liking it. Okay, cool, wicked. That still works. Nice. What do you think about GU? Yeah, I'll do GU in a second there. I'll do GU in a second. 1 second. So here's a 4-hour flip. We've got all our time frames flipping. Gold is pretty bullish at the moment, and those pull downs yesterday, they came up pretty quickly, which is mad. So buys for me are going to be above the zone. So 1817. I said this yesterday as well. I think buys above 1817 to then target the next zone, which is 1819, and then also to fill this wick above here, 1823. So buys above here, I want a closure. That'll be really, really nice for me. Someone says riding GJ. I fucking wish I was riding it. God dang it! Straight away at half fast, it was just out of there. But we're chilling, Look at this 5-minute bearish. Kind of want to wait for this hourly to close, or this at least this 15-minute to close. Let's just check Forex Factory before we do any more analysis. Where's my coffee? Also, I need to. I'm filming a YouTube video today, so I'm going to do a time lapse. Let me just have my drink first. Yeah, I've got a cool time lapse going to go on. So it looks like everyone's on GJ. Well done, well done. That closure there was nice. I think I probably would have entered that, but unfortunately for me, it was just about. It was only just on when I started, so I couldn't really do it. So let's have a look at the news today. It is Wednesday. So Wednesday, is it Wednesday? What the fuck? Oh yeah, it is. We have GBP manufacturing PMI at 9:30. So nothing much on, so that's good. That's good. So the GJ buys are still valid. Let me just look at the 4 hour here. Yes, this 4 hour needs to close above here for NY session to then continue our bullish structure all the way back up. And we got some nice targets over here. So, but we are coming to this little consolidation over here. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Antonio, do you think you could have got in there, or the low wick was too small?
Nah, no areas yet. I'm waiting on GJ. I'm waiting for breakouts above 151.737.
Let's have a look at this 737. Okay, yes, these highs. Yeah, that's true. Like here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, see, look at this. Ooh. So people in GJ buys, you should have easily have got your 10 pips there and been out. Is your method same as Raj's method? Very similar. I think I'm a bit more risk averse than him. I think I like waiting for low wicks more. I think he does a bit more impulses, but yeah, pretty in the same level. Yeah. Yeah, good strategy to follow, eh? And gold over here. Yeah, so I'm waiting specifically for buys above 1817 at this point. We're all bullish in all time frames. Buys above, so that'll be really solid for me. And yeah, so we'll just do that over here. I could probably do like this. 1 second, I'm trying to get this fucking filming YouTube videos and shit's hard, bro. Fuck. There we go, let's do this. So yeah, so buyers over here, and people want to look at GU for sure. We'll do some GU at this point. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you do so. We're here every single morning. So yeah, let's have a look at GU at this point. GBP USD, we like a bit of GBP USD every so often. Some people like it. So let's have a look at the daily time frame over here. Let's get rid of all analysis from yesterday. Daily time frame. Ooh, the daily is about to be flipping, but it's still bearish at this point. 4 hour bullish. So two contradicting time frames at the moment at this time. So maybe wait until one of these time frames get around for this range. So normally I call this range that it's in right now a no trade range, because the daily and the 4 hour contradict themselves, and it's quite hard to get into a trade. But when you go to the 30-minute time frame, you can start seeing levels. So you can still see that this is resistance here. See, we've just tapped this and rejected it. This is resistance, so buys above 1.37588, 590 is going to be a really good opportunity here. So we're looking for buys above 1.37600, basically. This is what I'm going to be looking for. Closures above are going to be really solid. Yeah, it's going to be nice. So yeah. Also, guys, if you're in the Discord, make sure to send the Discord charts, and I'm going to go through them very soon. And for me, sells are going to be below the 4 hour bearish, and then the daily will be bearish. It's going to be below these lines over here. You can see the strong structure we've got. So right here, sells below. Sells below 1.37345. Okay, that kind of area, and that is analysis for GU. Very simple, very easy, and just wait for the breakouts. I can see this. I can see here that GJ is struggling to close above. Can you see these 5-minute candles? So everyone in GJ buys, if you got in at this point, you should have taken profits at 10 pips for sure. You shouldn't have been greedy. So yeah, make sure you know that for sure. Take them profits, boy. But yeah, make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. So in a minute and 52 seconds time, if we close not above this range, if you close here, then this is a very, very big resistance, and you need to be very careful when entering these trades. Maybe wait until this hourly closure, because this hourly is going to give you more of an identification. It's going to give you more of a, what's it called? It's going to give you more of a sign that's going to go up. I'll use sign. So that's what we'll be looking for here. So let's just get Discord in for a second, and let's take a look at some charts. Wow, we got a lot of people coming in yesterday. Yeah, if you guys are on the YouTube, make sure to join the Discord. We talk about lots of stuff, and yeah. So let's have a look. London discussion. I guess more clean GJ buys are coming as soon as we cleared all those messy zones from the left. Charts for the stream. Let's have a look. Wow, amazing. So someone said that they've sent their chart analysis here, and they actually entered. Amazing. So let's have a look here. This is your chart analysis. Waiting for candle close above this area, okay, for buyers. Yep, so you did get the candle kind of close in 151,550 kind of area, and then you got the buys. Okay, lovely. So you looked at that, and the 1 hour resistance. Amazing. So where was your stop loss at this point? So for this chart, where was your stop loss? I see you in the YouTube. Where was your stop loss? Because for me, if you get in here, where was it? Was your stop loss below the previous? So that would have been a 13 pip stop for a 13 pip gain. Well, there you go, 1 to 1. Amazing, amazing. So that's good. I'm assuming you put it on the 30 or the 15 right here. Yeah, the 13 would have, 15 would have been better. 9 pip stop, beautiful. Really, really good there. So let's have a look. Yeah, we like that one. Really, really good. Looked for your resistance. You planned the trade out, and then when it actually starts occurring, you're like, great. And you start entering. Amazing. My gold loss back from yesterday. Early bird catches the worm. Wow. At 151,471. This is a lot earlier in the time. And now he's got flying. Where are you going to take profits? Have you taken profits at 550? Have you taken profits at 650? Hopefully you took in some profits there, but you got a nice stop loss. Your stop loss is like about 8 pips, I think. Really, really solid. So let's have a look at this time zone, because I might actually start the streams a bit earlier, maybe to try and get these trades in. Let's have a look. I'll come back to this. So you know, let's have a look at how I could have entered. Maybe above the. Let's have a look. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame over here. Yeah, this strong candle was at 6:30, then 7 AM. Yeah, 7 AM ran. 7:15 actually. So 7:15. Yeah, I might start the stream at 7:10 for sure. For sure. Wow, 60 people in the YouTube, guys. Make sure to subscribe, do all that good stuff. I've got some cool things here going on. Oh, hey, look at all these cool things I've got. So yeah, we're really, really focused on GJ here. Look at this though. If this closes, oh, not the best. So even though we did get the 50-minute closure above, if we do exceed the low of the current candle, it's really struggling to break out of this area at this point, and we may have to wait a bit longer. But if we don't exceed and we start flipping, this could be good. But for me, I kind of want to wait now until the 8 o'clock candle gets the hourly, because if the hourly closes, the hourly, you know, in most cases makes a lower wick, and then when we make the lower wick, then we can start pushing off nicely. So I may wait for this lower wick to form at that point. So yeah. Alright, lovely. Did that little time lapse for Instagram. Let's have a look over here. Yeah, getting in now would be a bit risky. It's just too close to the hourly candle. Oh my god, I bet that was loud on fucking YouTube. Holy shit. Morning, hello everyone. Let's go, let's go. Oh, we're flipping. If we flip this 15, this could be quite good to come back to its highs. But for me, I kind of want to wait for this hourly closure at this point. Too close to the hourly, so that's what I will be doing. Squad, make sure to like the stream, guys. Let's get it up, guys. Let's get this stream up. Let's get this chat going. Weekly broke the high too. Yeah, this is what we were looking for. 550. We finally broke the high. It's amazing. So yeah, continue buys today. You're gonna be looking good. That sneeze was scary, lol. Yeah, so we're going to be looking for continued buys. But look at this, though. In 11 minutes' time, if this 30-minute can't close above and this hourly can't close above, oof, it's going to be very, very much of a turn-off for me, unfortunately. Let's have a look more on the Discord over here. I don't know why the bot keeps on saying that I'm streaming at 9:30 every night. I don't know why it does that, to be honest. Thanks, Stop Lost Maz. I spilled my coffee because of the sneeze, lol. I've got my coffee here though. Yeah, boy. Oh man, that coffee's fire. That was a good ass coffee. Goddamn. 30 likes in the stream already. Make sure to run them likes up already. 7:48. We've only been on for 50 minutes and 30 likes already. Let's go. So we're gonna be getting these GJ buys. Hopefully, I'm waiting for this 15-minute to give me kind of confirmation that we are still going up. So what I'm looking for is either this to make support and don't close. So if this candle closes back in this range here in my zone, then buys are invalid, because what will happen is we will close, make its top wick, and then start coming down. So for me, what I'm looking for is either this candle to close right where it is now at that point. So 560, I want it to close basically above the resistance. And then if this next one does start coming up, you could either wait until we get a bullish closure like this again, and then the next one makes a lower wick right here, and then we start blasting off, and that'll be the trade candle. Or you could do it when we exceed the high over here. So lots of different ways to enter in the GJ. But yeah. Also, guys, got some news. I'm going to go on to Sasha's Forex Talk of Beer, so I'll just shout him out for a sec. So, you know, who's Sasha? Trading with the Pack, he's called. There we go. Trading with the Pack, and we're joining his Forex Beer thing that he does. Yeah, he's been killing it, and he does it in French as well. So if you guys speak French, go hit him up. He's a really nice guy. I like him. He's a good guy. Do you know when you just know a good guy? Like he's just nice. So yeah, we have 10 minutes left, or 9 minutes left for this candle over here. This is going to be the decider candle. If we do close above this zone over here, it's going to be looking good for continued buys. We go close above here. But if we don't get the closure and we close back in here, unfortunately these buys are going to be invalid for the time. You have to wait a bit longer, which is fine, because trading is a waiting game. Trading is a waiting game. But yeah, guys, make sure to like the stream. Really helps the algorithm. We get new people, and we get more people, we get more questions. Because I think a lot of people that turn up here now already know the basic questions. You guys are pretty switched on. I don't have like the people going, buy GJ now. It's like, no. But I kind of want them people to like to explain to them and shit. I think people who join my live streams now are pretty switched on, which is good. Learning lots. That was not the gold I wanted to look at. What the fuck? Why? I just did the gold analysis. Maybe just got rid of the other one. But yeah, all I'm looking for here is buys above 18 to 17, which is right here. Max, I labeled my chart on London Streams chat all broken down. Amazing. Let me take a look at them. Let me take a look. So guys, if you haven't entered the Discord yet, make sure you do. I know a lot of people are filling it up already, but amazing. So chart to the stream. Let's have a look over here. Oh wow. Okay. This is what I want for a chart. Amazing. So broke above, waited for the bottom wick, then took the entry. Wow, she waited for the bottom wick. Amazing. So that saved you a good, you know, that saved you a good 6 pip drawdown. Then the 4 hour flip is there. Okay, yeah, the support on GJ. Oh, geez, yeah, GJ is looking good. The daily flip is over here. We'll take entry at breaking this wick high. Amazing. 10 pip partials set to break even, and we're gonna run to the next resistance zone. Amazing. This is great. So if you guys are sending me charts, make sure you try and send them like this, all labeled out. I know exactly what you're doing, but I really like that how you waited for the lower wick, because that lower wick could have been a side there. If that lower wick pushed all the way down and closed back on the support, you know that it was a kind of a fake out. But now when you have the lower wick and then starts wicking back up, it works very, very well for sure. Though I did small FOMO entry in previous candle as well, but closed it when I realized we were at resistance. It is what it is. Yeah, that's fine as long as you know where you went wrong. FOMO, you know, you need to be able to know where you're going wrong with stuff like that. Looks like GU's find it hard to close above. Waiting for that wick and the 4-hour flip and the daily flip is legend, mate. You should charge for those. Well, soon I am. I don't know if anyone has soft fix, but if you backtest and trade with lower wicks, your win rate drops dramatically. I mean dramatic, so anyone trying to win without lower upper wicks, impossible. Yes, I mean, so if you backtest and trade without lower wicks, you'll win. Yeah, exactly. That's what I've been saying. You know, 85% they make bottom wicks and top wicks, so don't fuck with that percentage because it will really ruin you. I'm telling you. But yeah, hope you like the animations. Hope they don't get in the way. I quite like them. They're pretty cool. Yeah, make sure to drop a like in the stream, guys. Really helps out. Let's get a 50 likes. 50 likes before 8 o'clock. 6 minutes time. Let's blast them likes up. And then we're going to take some delicious trades. Is there any free backtesting software for Forex? I mean, you could do free backtesting like that you can on this, where you just go along, but it takes you hours, and like you get scrolling, and then if you press one button, you have to go back to the top. So it is a bit of a pain in the ass, but you can still really do it. But if you just buy the, I think you can get like a normally TradingView has like deals and stuff. So normally you might get like a month free and stuff. So when those deals come out, just bash it for a month, and then you'll have your back tested data. So we still haven't exceeded the low over here, which is fine. 30-minute needs to close above though, unfortunately for me. Let's just get this trading thing up. Okay. So I've just got my magic keys on. And I really want this hourly to close above, for sure. And I want that 30-minute. Okay, I look at 1 minute chart to see how the lower wick would have formed helps. Lower or upper, whatever the case. TradingView Pro on a Black Friday is a decent percentage. Yeah, I've heard that. That's good shit. That is good shit. But yeah, coming up towards the 8 o'clock open over here, guys. So for GU, waiting for closures above this zone right here. If you don't close above, then there'll be no trade, because solid resistance. If you do break above, we've got a little TP around here, which is only 7 pips away, and the rest will be up here. Oh, thank you. Who was it? Rochi Channing, for subscribing to my channel. We are nearly there for 1,000 subscribers. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are getting some giveaways. We are getting magic keys giveaways. So everyone who subscribes gets a free entry to the magic keys giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. So make sure for that. But yeah, guys. Oh, this is looking good now. Okay. Oh, snap. Let's look at the 15-minute. Oh, we're starting to run. I need this closure. Thing is, getting in now is risky, guys, because the hourly needs to make a lower wick. So look, this hourly is going to close in 3 minutes time. It needs to make a lower wick and then to continue. Thank you, Elton Yassini, for subscribing to my channel. Looks like we are running up here. Unfortunately, I can't get in because of my rules, because we need the hourly to make a lower wick at this point. So you need to hold on. If people don't get that, I'll explain it in a sec. But yeah, this is why I can't get in right now. I probably would get in because we made the low wick and we flipped. But because it's to the hourly hasn't made a bottom wick yet. And we know probability-wise, if you look at the hourly candles, we always make bottom wicks. So therefore, if you're getting into a trade now, you're basically expecting yourself to get some drawdown. And for me, I don't like any drawdown. Hell no. Zero drawdown for me. But yeah, guys, as I said, that Magic Keys giveaway is coming very, very soon when we hit 1,000 subscribers. That'll be pretty fire. But yeah, 2 minutes time. This 30-minute needs to close above this resistance, which it looks like it's going to be doing, and that is going to be great for continue buys for sure.
Yeah, I'm locking on those two. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, I think I'm gonna wait for a decent bottom wick and
Yep.
use current candle stops.
Yep. Oh
Mm-hmm.
yes, that's what I'm looking for.
Yes, sir.
Walter catch pips. We like that quick 10-15 pips and profit, baby. Yep, we sure do. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Let's get to 40 likes before 8 o'clock in a minute's time. Yes, with the volume, exactly. The best trade you can be in is a risk-free and no drawdown. That is the best trade for sure. It is the best risk-free trade. It is the best by far. But yeah, need to wait for this low wick here. Yes, we hit 41 likes before London Open. Let's go, let's go. So it is looking good here for potential buys. The 4 hours looking good. We are starting to leave this zone over here. This is good. For me, this is nice. So potentially buy stops could be nice. It's just I've got this little zone marked up here. I'm gonna put it here, to be honest. I think there's still a lot of room. Yeah, I can see this. Look here. Can you see these little wicks? So let's just zoom in over here.
If you go on a 1 hour, you're gonna see a 1 hour resistance nearby.
Yeah. Let's have a look.
At 151, 670.
670. Yeah, right here. So buys above this zone I'm going to be looking for sure. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. So it could do its own little thing here, but when we start exceeding this, I mean, a buy stop could be quite nice, to be honest. So, right, make a low wick. Make a low wick, bitch. Make a low wick. Okay, it's made a low wick on my trading view, but not on here yet. Come on. Make the low wick. Okay, good, right. And if this just does start to rinse off now, I may enter, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. 1 second. So I'm gonna have a buy stop, I think, above this zone, 8670. Let's have a look here if I can do it. 670. 677 right here. So open trade. Okay, so I have a buy stop. I think if we do exceed this here, we've got some big volume in, and we should be breaking this hourly resistance with volume, and that's what I'm looking for. How could you explain more about a bottom wick? Yes, so bottom wicks, you see, so candles here. Can you see? You know, a candle is made up of the base of the candle and the low wick and the top wick. So can you see, like, this one's got a low wick and a top wick. All candles have low wicks and top wicks most of the time. You'll find some here that maybe don't, so let's have a look here at this point. Let me just try and find one where it doesn't. I'm trying to find some, but a lot of them don't at the moment. Oh, here, look, this one here, can you see these two right at this point don't have top wicks? So, and if you back test this for long, about 85% of candles have a bottom wick and a top wick. So for example, I didn't want to get into this trade until the hourly made a bottom wick, because if you look on the hourly, now we have made the bottom wick here. This is the bottom wick being made right now. If you get into a trade where the bottom wick hasn't made before the hourly starts opening, you've basically said to yourself, I know 85% of the time I'm going to take some fucking drawdown here. And I don't want to take any drawdown. I don't like the drawdown, okay? So that's basically why, if you're getting into a trade closer to the hourly, preferably just wait until the hourly closes and makes this low wick. Because look, now it's making the low wick. Some people would have got in here, and there's no point. Wait for this low wick. And the bigger the low wick here, the better, to be honest. If this comes down all the way here, I'm happy, because that means I can get a proper 10 pip stop loss. And then when this candle does this, so if we start flipping, like this, 1 second. Just gonna draw it for you guys. So this makes a low wick right here. This means that it's coming to this zone, basically saying, am I allowed in this zone? And if it starts retracing, starts coming up and flipping, and then starts exceeding, we are leaving this zone, and then we should be good for buys. Hits my buy stop, and we should continue over here. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, the low wick, the better, really, to be honest. I like the low wicks. We'll see here. So you can do its own thing here, but when we start running off, I've got a buy stop. Buy stops are quite good for FOMO, for getting into trades too early. Kind of just because you know, like, it's going to get activated if it does, which is great. And it means you don't have to get in early, and you know you're not worrying about FOMO and missing out on the trade. If GJ creates the same setup like on the 50-minute, this will be amazing. Yes, sir. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel and just seen my channel today, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. We literally do this every single morning for London, and then on Discord I do my NY session for the time being. My buy stops are above, like literally above this zone. So I had this zone over here. Look at this. Let's have a look. This hourly. 1 second. You'll see it right here. These hourly wicks over here. 1 second. I'll go in the hourly time frame. That'll make it a bit easier. You see, you've got hourly resistance right here. When we break above this hourly resistance, I'm going to be entering. So it's at 670. And the buys are still valid for me as long as we don't exceed the previous 15-minute or 30-minute lows, because that's what bullish structure is. So yeah, it's just doing this lower thing here, but then when we do start getting some volume and exceeding, it's going to be quite nice, and this is going to be a good stop loss as well. So we'll have to see over here. Let's just take a look at gold. Gold, I should do the analysis again because I just got rid of it. Oh, there. Okay, go wicked. So you can see here, gold, we're waiting for buys above 1817 at this point to then continue, fill up these wicks, which is about 20-30 pips, and then the biggest one over here is quite a big zone, 60 pips. So that's going to be looking good. Let's have a look at GU as well, because I know a lot of people like GU. Oh, we didn't close above, unfortunately. Tushar says, alright bro, gotta go for my classes now. Love your stream and analysis. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining though. Make sure to drop the like on a stream before you go, my man. For sure. Yeah, we're gonna be hitting 1,000 subscribers, I think, pretty soon, which is gonna be an absolute amazing thing for me. I literally started these streams 3 weeks ago, and already, you know, 72 viewers. Like, amazing. So make sure to subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Ghost, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. We're looking at GJ right now, and it looks like we're about to flip and continue on. Ooh, look at these 5 minutes, boy. So if I get in here, stop loss is going to be 590, or yeah, 590. So continue on. TP is going to be 860. Holy drop, bro. Lovely stuff, my boy. 49 likes, amazing, guys. This is going to be the biggest like stream. But yeah, I'm really looking. So guys, put you here. Gonna buy stop above this zone over here. I'll make it white. Buy stop. Should I do it a bit further? How are you getting into this one, Antonio?
I did. Yeah, I was just about to send you a chart.
Lovely stuff. On
yeah,
Zoom.
Let me send you. Yeah, I'm about to send you a chart on Zoom, breaking down why I'm not. Well, where I'm gonna get in.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's just these wicks are not giving me much confirmation now.
Yeah, like there's the thing is like we close really close to like 1 hour resistance. If you go on a 1 hour time frame, let me get my annotation. Yeah, like you see, are you? Oh yeah. So if you look to the left right here, I think you have this zone right here, and you got this zone right here. So these two zones, it's just like it's not enough. It's not like a clean area for me, especially on the 1 hour. And the 30-minute is not clean either. So the cleanest area is at 737 somewhere up here on the 30-minute, which is these 1 hour wicks, and it's cleaner traffic.
Yeah, to be honest, that makes sense. And like, the only reason why I was looking for buy stops there is that, as you can see, I mean, this candle as well. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna delete these buy stops for the time being, guys. You made me realize this hourly candle has got a lot more time, and what I could really just wait for is another 50-minute closing bullish. Like I feel if I got this closure like this, let's go to the 50-minute time frame. If I got this, so it makes a lower wick, then this candle comes up, closes above here, then makes the lower wick, and then I can enter. So yeah, there's no point of having a buy stop. I kind of wanted the buy stop just to start off at 8 a.m. because sometimes the volume just flies it. But because that isn't happening and we're really respecting it, I want to wait for the closure right now. So let's just get rid of this now. Good idea, good idea. How the fuck do I get rid of that? Remove. There we go. Good morning everyone. So yeah, we're waiting for this closure above. That'll look nice. So we wanted buys above 550, but unfortunately I wasn't on the stream at that point. But they would have been easy. I would have got them 13 pips they were, which is nice. Gold, still waiting for it. You can see we're in this zone on gold. If people like gold, you can see, so I've got these blue lines and yellow lines. If you're new to the stream, the blue line is the 4-hour flip and the yellow line is the daily flip. So I can see at this point on the hourly or on the 30-minute or 50-minute that the 4-hour is bearish and the daily is bullish. So if you look here, daily bullish, 4-hour bearish. So two higher time frames are contradicting themselves. So normally it shows that they're in a range or it's indecisive, and you can see that's exactly what we are. So I'd advise waiting for closes above 1817 at this point. Ooh, maybe actually this one. Ooh, it's a bit choppy. I don't like the zone that we're in for gold, to be honest. So probably just wait until volume comes in properly later on. Ooh, are we gonna get the closure? It's looking good though that we made support on the actual 550. That's what I quite like. But yeah, we'll wait a bit longer for that. GU, I'm still looking for buys above this zone. I think people will take these buys very nicely. Haven't exceeded the low of the previous 15-minute yet. So if you do start running up at this point. Oh, looks like we're running up. Looks like we're running up. Oh my god. How could I get in at this point? Yeah, 550. Stop loss would be here. Oh my god. 5 minutes left. Come on, get the closure, boy. Don't run off before we come on, please. Don't run off before we come on, please, boy. 4 minutes left for this candle closure. Let's see. I've exceeded the high of the previous, so people will be buying them bitches. Let's look at 30-minute. Yeah, we still got time. So hopefully this next candle, we're exceeding now. So my buy stop would have been activated at this point. But I'm not in yet. I'm still waiting. Waiting on the closure. 4 minutes time for this closure, guys. So hopefully we can stay on. If it jumps off here, then that's just tough luck. But yeah, not too bad. So we'll be up about 2 pips now, not too bad. If people had the buy stops on. But yeah, oh shit. Really waiting for this candle closure over here, but it looks like we're going to be running, and my buy stop would have been beautiful. Fuck, I should have kept it on. It's all good. We're waiting for this closure. 3 minutes time. Wait for the low wick. You can see at the moment the wicks are quite big, so this is good. It means you'll have potential. Next zone 860, so we've got 15 pips, which is not too bad. So let's just wait for this closure. Also GU looks like it'll probably go. Oh yeah, GU's looking good as well. If you do start pushing above again. What size monitor do you use? I've got a 27-inch and another 27-inch. Yeah, I was gonna get the 32 one, but actually my mate has one, and that shit he can't even fit it on his desk. It's fucking huge. So I've got a curved 1440p 165 Hz, and then just a normal 1080p one.
I got a curved 35-inch, but it's on an arm.
That's what I need to get, bro. That's what I need to get.
Bro.
Fuck.
You should. It's so solid.
Yeah,
and it gives you more deck space.
Yeah, that's fucking true.
Because it's just floating.
Yes, that's what I need to get. I fucking remember that. 'Cause my mate had one. And I was like, oh shit, yeah. Fuck me. These fucking monitors though are heavy. It must be a solid piece of fucking arm. Like holy shit.
Yeah.
Like fucking Dr. Ox fucking Spider-Man fucking like iron like fucking thing. Like holy shit. Okay, we're getting the closure right now, guys. 2 minutes time. Oh my god, these 2 minutes are so long. Come on. I want to get that new 49-inch from Samsung. So clean, man. Yeah, the big one.
Oh yeah, the Odyssey or
yeah,
whatever.
the Odyssey.
Yeah.
That's like a trader's dream, bro. Jeez.
Yeah.
There's a few things I'm gonna get actually. So I'm starting my mentorship, by the way, people, on the 13th of September, and all the money that goes towards that, I think up to like $2,000. I'm gonna be actually £2,000. I'm gonna be buying a Sony. What's it called? The vlogging camera that everyone uses. I'm gonna basically buy one of them because I want to make more videos.
The A7R3.
Yeah, I think I think it's that, and I want yeah, because I want to make more videos, like nice videos. I'm using my iPhone. I mean, it does the job, but it's not the best. I want to be able to like film like fucking good videos and shit. So yeah, all the money I'm gonna be having for the first like I don't know, like 2-3 months for mentorships, all gonna go back into reinvest in profits. Yes, sir.
Solid.
So that'd be pretty fun.
Yo, check out the chart I just sent you on Zoom.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Yeah, I clicked on it. I didn't even fucking look at it. Yeah, it's a really clean traffic here, 7.3.
Sorry.
Since you close very close to the hourly, yeah, it's true. Very, very true. So clean, a lot cleaner on the left hand side here. This is what we're looking for. 960. Ooh, yes, that's a nice zone. Fuck.
Yeah, and in about like 15 minutes, if the 30-minute closes above 151.737, I think that's gonna be ideal for an entry.
Look at that rejection there. Yeah, this little fucking zone here is annoying.
Yeah, that zone just annoys me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's clean candles towards here. Why did I link this one? Where the fuck's this came from? Get the fuck off. Yeah, right back to the tops over here. Let's have a look at this point. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, guys, we're using the left-hand side to give us a kind of indication of what we're doing. So we've got another candle close over here. This is looking good. Closed above as well on the 5 minutes, looking good. For me, maybe the 30-minute now, because we've just seen this resistance. If you look to the left, 730 is not the best. We'll have to see. See your card. If you send me a chart, I'll see it. Quality stream, mate. Oh, cheers, bud. Thank you very much. If you guys are just new here, how did you guys find the stream? Was it just on recommended? Was it like all that? Yeah, make sure you give the stream a like and stuff, because we get the new people from that. I think the YouTube recommends it. So make sure to drop a like, subscribe with the notifications on, and we'll have a sick day. Oh shit! This is my setup with the low wick. Fuck.
Oh, you were looking for a 5-minute entry on that? Ooh.
No, maybe exceeding the highs over here. Fuck, we're coming towards it. Let's have a look at this point. Let's move my fucking things. So look at the 30-minute, yeah.
We could actually use 15-minute stops on our closure if we get that closure. 15 minutes.
Yeah, that's true. That is true.
Potentially. But let's see.
Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait for these closures. So we're exceeding the highs here, guys. Oh, I'm so tempted to get in. Fuck. Let's have a look at the 30-minute. 30 minutes looking good. We're coming towards this zone right here. So do you get some volume to push it out? It could be good even on the 5 minutes, bro. Fuck.
I mean, if that's your setup, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, it plays out for you. Don't think twice.
I'm looking at the. It's just the new zones. The zones are changing so quickly. It's the left hand side fucking pissing me off.
Yeah, it is because every single time frame has like a little bit of higher resistance. Even the 15-minute resistance is at 761. It's just a little bit higher.
Yeah, very,
So
very true. Yeah, I'll wait. For this 30-minute closure, it'll give you a bit more of an indication, I think, for sure.
for sure.
Right. But yeah, if you guys are new here, how did you see the stream? I see. Let's go. Let's go. Caught a nice 12 pips. Wow, amazing. Well done. Well done. Well done. Getting in early at like 7 a.m. was fire. I mean, it's been bullish ever since. It's been bullish ever since, man. Right. Let's have a look. Is the guy in the back American?
Yes, I am.
Sure is. I can't do an American accent, me. I can't fucking do it. You go like water? Is that how you say it?
Water.
Water. I just came in on my home screen. Wow, that's amazing. You guys go water. I swear you say that we say it like, how do I say it? Like, what is it? Water.
Is that how you guys say it?
We say water, or yeah,
Water.
but you guys,
Oh.
I think you guys like don't like you guys water. Yeah, you guys don't say the T's,
Yeah,
and then
water.
we like kind of like exaggerate the T's.
Yeah, you guys do.
Get the guy in the back to do English. Say hey, I like a cup of tea. To be fair, that's probably the same. I don't know what like things are different. Right, okay, we're coming back up, we're coming back up. Break that soul, bitch!
Facts. I'm locked in on this.
Bro, fucking break this zone, my boy. 5 minutes still closed and bullish. And then Max, there's a guy behind you. There's a guy behind me. Fucking hell, he made me shit myself. Motherfucker. I was like, I'm at home alone as well, so someone's behind me. Fucking ring the police. Holy shit.
Dude.
Okay, we're starting to come now, guys. Oh. Break 730, bitch. Oh my god, that was scary stuff. But yeah, guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. We're waiting, and let's look at this 15-minute, 9 minutes left, bro. Fucking get some volume in, bitch. Get some volume in.
Facts. We need some volume.
Yeah, it's that left hand side annoying. I mean, getting earlier here, 7:30, 7:15, damn, that would have been fire. But at the moment, just chilling for the time being. Let's have a look at GU. Still not here yet. We're still coming, but tell you what, if we do exceed these highs again, bro, I might go in. Might be like, fuck it. I might actually play on the 5 minute. I'm not gonna lie. Sort Max, thanks for streaming. What are your entry criterias? Basically all time frames to be in this direction that I'm in. So for example here, look, all time frames are bullish, so it makes your trades a lot easier. I like having my stop less than 10 pips or 10 pips maximum. And normally when the candle has the lower wick or the top wick, as a criteria at that point. So I'm actually going to be looking here to try and get an entry if we do exceed these highs over here. Let's just get a stop recording. So I've actually entered a little trade over here, and I'm actually putting it on the low of the 15 to continue to break past this zone and start filling up to 153. How am I managing risk? Well, if you do start exceeding the low of the previous 5 minutes, I then will be taking some partials off. So very, very small stop at this point. Just want to get into this trade, to be honest, because I've seen volume push it out. Quite a risky one, so guys, I think I'd advise not taking this one. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be. It'll be good. But yeah, managing risk at this point. 30-minute time frame is looking good. This 7 minutes needs to start pushing. But
how do you gonna manage your risk if we don't close above?
I'll be taking it off, to be honest.
Alright,
but with the volume, I think we should start pushing in the zone right now, and we should start leaving. Let's look at this 5 minute. Come on, come on, boy! Fucking get some volume in, bitch. Dude. I'm literally looking at the 5 minute, because the 5 minutes getting good structure at this point. If you do want to still continuing up, as long as you don't flip this candle right here, 714. 714 actually may take some off at this point, so that's 3 pips. You kind of want this candle to close solid bullish, and it won't in a minute's time if we just flip this. So we'll see at this point. Took it off at the break of the 15, 640 secured. 10 looks like the 5 minute created support on the 550. Yeah, I said that. Oh, I'm not liking this. I'm taking this off at break. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting. Fuck this shit, I'm out. I'm waiting for this 30 to close. So I got out of 1 pip, so that's easy.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes to go, because the 30 minutes is going to make a low wick. I want it to close above 1.5, so let's just actually make this over here, guys. 735. I want it to kind of close above 735, make its low wick in the next candle, and then start launching again. And that is going to be it. Where the fuck is my magic keys gone? Yeah, magic keys. If you guys haven't copped one yet, make sure to cop it, man. As you can see there, I entered and got out pretty instantly. 1 pip drawdown. There's barely even commission, so that's fucking sexual. So let's have a look here. Very, very patient. Let's have a look at GU, see if it's any cleaner. No, GU still can't break above this zone at this point. Damn. Look at this hourly. So the hourly has made the low wick, which is what we wanted, and then started exploding up, which is good. Let's look at the 30 minute. I mean, even that hourly, if flipping, would have been quite a nice option, to be honest. With making its low wick and actually closing above at this point. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, so my zones are pretty good, Need it to close above this line we're looking at right here to get past that resistance. Then make the low wick and then start flipping. And the reason is we can't really take much trades at the moment. Actually, let's see how big this stop is. Oh, 7 pips. That's not too bad at all. Wait some support to be formed. Yeah, you could do. But the kind of support already formed in the 5 minute here on resist. So this look before was resistance here. Can you see resistance? Now we're blasting up and made support on the resistance now, and now we are currently coming up. But you can see these 5 minutes are kind of not closing strongly. It's got 3 minutes left, to be honest. 3 minutes left for these candles to close. I hope we can get a candle close above. And then the low wick to be formed, and then that will be the entry for sure. So guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. We're here every day, every single weekday. But yeah, make sure to like the stream, all that good stuff really helps me out. Try and get 100 likes. When we get 100 likes, bro, that'll be fire. 4 hour is starting to look solid though. We have an hour and a half left. Yeah, 4 hour is looking amazing. We're starting to get rid of the zone over here, and look, clean candles to the left. Oh shit, I shouldn't have made that. Here, clean candles here. This is what we're looking for to get back in the zone. So yeah, we'll have to wait patiently to get this closure above. 3.5, isn't it, like there? Where did you get that hoodie? It looks cool. Ooh, my friend makes trading hoodies. So let's just look at this. I'll show you 1 second. Go on Instagram. Let's go on my profile. Linktree. Trading merch. It's not my merch. It's just my friends, and I just thought I'd put the link on for him. So yeah, it's got Look, risk to reward hoodies. A lot of like trading designs and shit. So yeah, check them out. Got loads of different colours. Look, there's mine. Yeah, for sure. Go check them out. Go check them out. Pretty fire. Yeah, there's all my links, by the way, to everything. Make sure to go check them out too. So we're getting a closure in 2 minutes time. If you don't close above, oof, and this 5 minute, look at that. Ooh. Not looking the cleanest. Oh shit, look at it. Gold. Damn, look at that. Gold just ran like fucking 40 pips. Look at this 50-minute. Oh, bro. Look at that 50-minute top wick and then start succeeding flipping the 4-hour and the daily. Oh, that would have been a nice entry. Filling this wick up. At this point, you would have taken off risk and you would have had to stop to break even, definitely, because you're coming up towards a wick and see where else it runs. Solid. Let's just check that trade that I was in there just before. I actually want to check the exact amount of pips I was in. Oh yeah, literally 1 pip. Like and subscribe, amazing. Man, I like it you buy the top. Man, it's like you buy the top. I've been buying the tops for 3 years and they work just fine. Thanks for streaming. What are your entry criteria? Hey bro, this is the trade I took. Let's have a look at this over here. Wow, let's have a look at this chart here. So this is GJ on the 30-minute time frame. We've got a closure above. This is amazing. How have I not seen this? I did. It was the hourly, and then the hourly made the lower wick over here. So price broke resistance with a nice volume. Resistance formed. Waited for the lower wick because it was 8 o'clock and we have 2-hour close. So usually we have a longer wick. I was ready to cut loss. Entered the trade after the flipping the bullish. Stop loss below previous candle 9 pips. I was ready to cut losses small if this candle broke its low, because 30-minute hourly you're gonna break the same low. And TP 10 pips. Amazing, really good trade actually. Fire. I wanted to get into that one, but it ran off pretty quickly, and the low wick wasn't. Yeah, the low wick was pretty small for me. But to be fair, you could have used the 30-minute like you guys did. So like here. Yeah, nice. Back in that zone as well. When the stop loss is back in the zone, really solid option here. And then to continue. Beautiful. Really worked well. But yeah, 7 o'clock was my favorite here. But 7:30 also. Yeah, nice. Then the 8 o'clock making its low wick and boom! Nice. Oh my god, I'm looking at gold here, I'm not gonna lie. Oh shit, right, I'm taking my focus on gold, I'm not gonna lie. Antonio, let me get this fucking god damn. Let me just get this up on here 1 second. So the reason why I like gold is we've got a solid 30-minute close. I mean, a really solid 30-minute. Let's just make this nice over here. Money to risk per trade, a fixed lot size, 2. Fixed lot size 2. Max lot size per order 2. Okay, nice. Oh my god. So look at this. If we do flip this candle, the 30-minute, oh my god, like this is gonna be disastrous. Oh, we're at a support though, I can see here. Let's have a look at the 30-minute time frame. Oof. I mean, with volume, look at this 30-minute, bro. Oh my god. Oh, we're flipping over here. Reason I don't like it. So the reason why I liked it, but then now I didn't like it, really, is because of this zone. But we are flipping it, and we should continue over here, to be honest, with the volume. Stop loss could be above the current. 10 pip stop. You're targeting these lows over here. Right here. Oh my god, nice. You're back to these wicks. At this point there, you probably have your stop loss or break even, so you may have had a break-even trade at that point. So you can see these wicks. The reason why I didn't like that and didn't enter is look at this. We've got wicks here, we've got wicks here, wicks here, wicks here, and wicks here. So this one, we don't know where it's going. If you get a closure below this kind of zone, that would be more confirmation. But unfortunately, it didn't get the closure. So that's why I didn't enter that trade. Oh shit! Ah! So someone tell me why we don't like this. Why we can't even look for buys at all. Someone tell me. Potential sales below 1811. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at this point. Yeah, more 1811 for sure. 1811.70.
Yeah, I agree. 1811.
Yeah.
I got mine on 1811.37.
Yeah. That's what I had mine on.
If you go on the 30-minute time frame, it's way cleaner.
Yeah, like like 37, like here.
Yeah.
Past that zone. Yeah. That's looking good to drop now. Holy shit.
Yeah, a closure right there.
Yeah, that could be.
Annotate.
That could be nice. That could be nice. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, we're looking. The only issue is this. Look at this, man. Barcodey. Barcodey. God damn. So no, you know, we buy the high quite a lot, and it works nicely because, for example, if you were here and you said don't buy the high, Max, don't buy the high, well, we just made 20 pips, so that would have been the high. If you're down here and you know here you were like don't buy this high, Max, there we go. Then you do this here, don't buy the high. So you know, you need to be careful with saying don't buy the highs because if higher highs are made in a bullish structure, you're going to be saying that a lot of the times. And the most people that say buy the highs here are the ones that try and take sells and they get their asses kicked. But yeah, gold should still continue. You don't know what's the high until it drops, mate. So nothing wrong in buying the high. Its prices move quite a bit. Does it make sense for wait for some sort of support to form? How do you decide if you should wait for support? Yeah, exactly that. So that's a very, very good point. So what you could have here right now, the reason why I don't like this trade, this kind of trade at this point is because of this. We don't have the lower wick right here. Can you see? No lower wick. So getting into buys here, you have a 85% chance of losing. So hell no. We wanted to close above 151735 because we had clean traffic to the left. But yes, exactly. We could do something like this. Let's have a look here. So candle could come here. I could do something like this. Then price could start forming. And then if we do get a closure like this, then I'm going to be entering this. That'll be my entry candle. Right there. So yeah, support would be very, very nice to see actually at this moment, for sure. Hey mate, what are you looking at as of now? I'm looking at GJ and I'm looking at gold sells. Gold sells, I just kind of talked about them before. We flipped this wick and we should start to continue down here. Wow, so if people look at when this should be up about 5 pips, not too bad. But yeah, closures below here are going to be nice. So let me just write this down. Closures below 1811.6 level. Preferably for me to get some sells on gold. No low wick on bullish candles and uptrend means no bearish momentum though. No, but okay, well yeah, okay, but you're thinking too deep into it. So if there's no lower wick here, look at all these candles, right? Look at all these candles. How many low wicks do you see? Or how many no top wicks or no bottom wicks do you see? There's one here, there's two there. So, and if you backtest this, if you go through it and literally count every single one of them, there's probably about 85% have top wicks and bottom wicks. And as you can see here, we're going to be making the bottom wick. So, no, keep that probability on your side. Why would you enter a trade here with no bottom wick when you know 85% of the time it's going to make a bottom wick? So, that's why we don't enter trades when there's no top wick or bottom wick. I'm in gold sells now. Amazing. Amazing stuff. 5 minutes of break and retest the previous high on GJ. The 5 minute here, yeah, 5 minute here was sexual. I'm not gonna lie. These bottom wicks here are a bit annoying, but apart from that, they were nice for sure. Look at that. So gold is coming down nicely now. Here we go. But yeah, I'll wait for this 30 minutes to close probably to give me more an option. I think something. I'm basically trying to see something like this. Can you see over here? Trying to see this. So wait for this candle to close in 7 minutes time. Wait for a top wick and then start to fall. Maybe. That's what I could look for. But here, so you'd be up. Ah, you're not even up 10 pips by now. Up 8 pips. But here, you should definitely have your stops to break even at this point. There we go. We've got 10 pips here. So amazing. So trades called out on stream. We got trades called. Gold sells. I got into a GJ by -1 pip. I'm still waiting for GJ buys at this point. And look at this, we're coming down nicely. Oh, I couldn't spell closures. So yeah, wait for 6 minutes time for this to close for sure. Oh, I like this music. This music's vibey. Oh, I forgot about my vape. Yeah, we can have a vape. Vape Nation. Oh fuck! What fucking wattage is on that one? Oh, fucking 20. That's why. GJ is gonna run now. Oh snap! GJ is gonna run. For me, these candles. So can you see this candle right here? So let's have a look at these candles, okay? This candle here, very, very weak bullish. You can see the body of the candle is quite weak. This, for me, it's not the best confirmation. I want thick candles. I want thick ass boy candles like this one and this one. I would have 100% entered in this candle if my stream started 3 minutes before, but it didn't. So that's a bit annoying. I might actually move my stream time to more 7:15 because I see a lot of moves at 7:30 that I would enter. So I might just do that for you guys. What keep you not from taking gold? For me, the reason why I didn't really take that one right there is because we had a support. Oh shit. We had supports right here and here. You see these wicks? So I wanted clean candles. So you can see it's more of a clean direction when we start exceeding here and closing below this zone right here. Because we'll have a zone from zone to zone here, which is 10 pips, and then we should start dropping nicely. Wow, the chat is aggressive today. God damn. My girlfriend is starting her new job today. Jeez. She's a lawyer as well, so we've got a lawyer and a trade in the family. Our household income gonna be fire. Hell yeah. Still no bottom wick on this bitch. 30 minutes doesn't even have one either, so yeah, a lot of patience for this. If you guys haven't already liked the stream, make sure to like the stream. We are here every single morning. Every single morning. Oh yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna start the streams a bit earlier on because for me, I think I need to do that a bit more. And I've got some YouTube videos coming today as well. I'm doing a day in the life to show you what happens behind the scenes from all the stuff. So yeah. If you guys haven't also already joined the Discord, we got some Discord in this bitch. US 30 paper trade. Ooh, US 30. Nice. Clean traffic. Amazing. Let me give a rocket to this one because this was a fire. Notice this on 30, particularly after breaking the high of the previous candle. Most of the candles retraced by back of 50% of the previous candle body. Bullish momentum into as the candle didn't break. Yeah, so it makes a lower wick and then starts exceeding. Nice, nice. No closure, so no trade. Yep. That's what he's looking for, though. So what I always say to people is always try and plan out what you're looking for, and if it doesn't happen, just wait until it does, and then you're good. Server level up. See what my rank is. Let's see what our rank in this bitch is. My own server. Rank 1. Let's go. Level 8. 100%, 186 people in the chat already. Amazing. Started this a week ago. 60 likes, man. Amazing. Oh, GJ. GJ's going without a bottom wick, so I'm not entering. But it looks like we should continue now. Let's have a look for zones. So we've got a nice zone to fill up here. So this is a let's have a look here. This is a 28 pip zone, which is nice. So yeah, I'm not getting into this trade because this is my rules, and you know, even if it might work this time, I know out of, you know, if I do this 1,000 times, it's not going to work 850 times. So fuck doing that. Okay, that's what you need to do. Every time you think about getting in, you need to go back to your mathematical brain and then just go nope. Because that will fuck people up, I'm telling you. You need to always be able to just go, you know what, the 30 minutes is now my bottom wick. It's still got 16 minutes left. You know, I'm not entering trades without bottom wicks. I just don't do it. It's just bad. Always think with the mathematical side. This is why, you know, people want to be able to make these bots, these trading bots, because they don't have the emotional side, and that's what you need. But unfortunately, we can't really code the bots yet, and to do exactly. You need your conscious mind to do it. But for the maths part and the psychology part, the bots are perfect. But look at this, running nicely now. Jeez. Coming towards the 4-hour little wicks here, but if we start exceeding these, we're gonna be flying. So let's go. So people with runners on, it's 7:30 over here. At this point, damn. You'll be in some amazing profits at this point, for sure. For sure. So 7:45. That one would have might have hit my break even though if I got in. Nah, I wouldn't have. I would have got in a bit earlier. So here we go. 8:30. Get a closure now. Amazing stuff. Look at the hourly. Gorgeous. Got my runner at 900. Yeah, 900 is a good target. I also think you could even get to 152 to be honest. For sure. Look at this. Pew! That shit flew 10 pips. Amazing. But yeah, this is sticking with your rules. And if you can't take this fact in, like, you know, you have to stick with your rules, you know, you're not gonna go far, I'm telling you. But 5-minute time frame leaping off here. Buy stop 757 could have been nice. That's what I looked for before. I got this crap, but lovely here. Running nicely, getting a closure at this point. Let's have a look at GU. Ooh, GU still hasn't broken above and closed 30-minute close bearish. Really respecting this resistance at this point. But if you do get the closure above, it's going to be looking nice. Oh, and the gold closed bullish. The 30 minutes still got time on, but for me, closing bullish and a bit like this it's really holding the support area. Can you see? This is why supports and resistances are very important. We see we tap this zone right here, which is also the support here, which is also the wicks over here. So be careful with stuff like that. Look at this. Look at this. Now fly, GJ, fly. But yeah, I'd advise, you know, especially for gold, just wait until volume comes in. And you know, as I've said it again and again on these, don't say sheesh, it's so cringy. Don't be in my stream, you're so cringy, bro. If you look here on let's have a look here, the 50-minute time frame, you can see where the volume comes in. So look, let's just go along. You can see, look, volume times starts at 1:15, 1:30, and then we start flying. Let's keep on back testing this. You know, this is how you can back test pretty quickly on gold. Look, volume coming in 1:15, 1:30, a lot of volume, amazing stuff. Look straight on again. Let's have a look here. 1:30 volume, 1:45 volume, 2 o'clock volume. So these are the times you should really be trading gold. You can get nice little ones for London, but most of the volume is at 1:30 my UK time. So whatever time, you just have to change it. Do you trade with fixed lot size or percentage of the account? What do you recommend for small accounts, and when is it time to increase the lot size? Yes, so I advised keeping with a fixed lot for the month, because unless you're doing different pairs and they need different stop losses. So for example, if you are trading on a £1,000 account, you should use a 0.1 lot for GJ and probably a 0.05 lot on gold if you're trading 20 pips. And keep that fixed for the month, and then when that month finishes, you can see the growth. So if you, for example, if you want to compound it, you know, you could have, if you made 25% for the month, you could take some out if you want, but if it's a small account and there's not really any point because it isn't that much money, then what you should do is you go, right, I made 25% this month, amazing. How about I upgrade or take my lot size 25% more now because I've just made 25%, so I can increase the lot size. So instead of using a 0.1 lot on GJ now you can use a 0.125 lot. So that's kind of what you do, or 1.3 lot. That's how you can really compound your account pretty easily. So yeah. So 11 minutes time, you're getting a closure here on the 30-minute time frame. But now we've got clean traffic here. I'm quite liking it. Are you liking this, Antonio? I'm not gonna lie. Oof. It's just we've moved a lot recently. We've moved 40 pips. My only concern. But to be honest, this is clean candles over here. Oh, I've left a bit more. Yeah, I don't know. I think that the trade idea would have been at that 8 o'clock open, which I was looking for. Here, closure above, make the lower wick. Use the 30-minute to get in with the stop loss here. But yeah, 11 minutes time. Let's see if you get a nice solid closure again. So if you do, flip this. If you still flip this high, we should still continue now. Looking good for runners. People get into runners here. I tell you what, you've done well. Like holy shit, like right here. Damn, the runners have been fire for sure. GU still chilling on the zone. Still can't break it. It's all about the candle closes. But this hourly was a really good indication when we started to go up. Made this low wick and then bam. Nice GJ call, bro. I got in at 151.685. 151.685. Amazing. Wow, you got in right here. We've still got time to retrace and create a low for the next session and take buys to retest the highs. Yes, exactly. So if you still can't get any trades, which is probably very unlikely we're going to get these GJs, what we can wait for is, you know, this might happen at this point, to be honest. So this is what I'm expecting to happen. Hit the next zone. Then obviously we know at 9:30 till about 11:30. The volume drops off, so you could just do this. It normally relaxes, and we could relax, you know, just chilling a bit, make a certain level. It normally comes towards the previous support, which is here, but that's quite a long way, to be honest. But if it does, looking nice, and then price will start to form maybe some supports over here, and this is when you can get your trades in on like entries there with stop loss below here. So amazing. Wow, look at that. GJ flying, boy. GJ flying, boy. But for me, you couldn't get in.
GJ's pushing.
Couldn't get in there because of the low wick, unfortunately. But even this one, to be honest, damn, got 10 pips there. Damn. So it's gonna hit our target here. 15-minute time frame here. It was annoying at this zone, right? At this zone, it was pissing me off. Like I had a buy stop here, and then took it off when we were just being a bit annoying. And then it finally did a break. But yeah. You can see that this was a resistance at some point, and if you look left, you can see it pretty clearly. 9:30 UK time. We also have PMI news. Yes, sir. Just happy we're out of the the range from Monday to Tuesday. Yeah, the range was fucking annoying. Look at this one. Yeah, it was nice we got out finally. Finally got out. Oh yeah. So guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. Breaking down DJ there. Lots of entries. But for me, I couldn't really get in. I tried to get the buy stops, but for me, I wanted the closure above 7:30. We finally got the break above, and no closure was here with no bottom wick. It's okay to miss the trade. No confirmation whatsoever. Just candles doing whatever with the trends. It's fine. Yes, that's nice. Preach that, my man. Preach that. Look at the hourly. Wow, look at that hourly, bro. Ho, ho, ho. 30 pip hourly. Oh, shit. Someone just said, look at GU. Buy stops here would have been fucking sexual. I mean, it's up 6 pips. Let's look at the hourly time frame. Oh, that hourly flipping there would have been sexual. Yeah, like here. Damn. So look at this, clean candles to the left over here. Should come up to the support. Oh, we have some little resistance at this point, but this will be first TP around about 10 pips. But it should continue. Look at this bullish structure over here. Nice. Gold's still holding this zone right here, so no buys could happen, and we're gonna hit the TP zone we were looking for right here for GJ. Smash through our zones. Amazing. Amazing. So 8 o'clock, which was here, the push down, exceeding the highs here, would have been a perfect entry for me. The reason why I didn't do it is because I didn't really look at the 15. I was too busy about the hourly, and the hourly didn't make much of a bottom wick. But this would have been the perfect entry for today. So 8 o'clock, because I didn't want to get in at 7:45 because I know 8 o'clock makes a low wick. Makes the low wick here, which is about 4 pips. Exceeds the high. My stop loss would be below the previous, and that would have been the trade. And my TPs, so what would have happened was the TPs would have been at that zone here, so 7:30 stop loss to break even at that point. And then I would have actually targeted this full. I would have taken stuff off obviously at 10 pips, 15 pips, all that good stuff as usual. But yeah, that would have been the trade I would have got in, I think, or maybe exceeding 6, 7, 9 over there. Lovely. Thing is, GU for me doesn't move like that. Looked like it was flying, but it literally moved like 6 pips. Like GJ flying, GJ flying. Like, look at that, 50 pips, 10 times as much as what GU just did there. GU doesn't move as much. It's a bit ass. And if this closes in 5 minutes time, back in the zone, it's really respecting that zone over there. So yeah. Wow, we got 60 likes on stream, guys. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. Can I enter on GU now? Nope, because we are getting a closure in 5 minutes time. If this candle here, so let me just analyze this. If this candle here closes back in the zone, which is here, then it is not the best to take a buy because it's still respecting this resistance at that point. And yeah, it can be quite a tricky one for you. Very, very tricky one. It's got 5 minutes left though. Still got 5 minutes left. If you get a strong candle again, yeah, it could look good. The only issue is you've got a bit of choppiness. Look at this range, man. Oh. So yeah, I'd wait for GU, to be honest. Let's have a look for GJ. Getting another hourly close bullish. Yeah, it's hard to get in now. It's ran a lot, to be honest, so probably wait for New York. But that's fine, you know. Wait for New York. Wait for your setup again. What do you think about Antonio?
Wait, my fault, bro. Can you repeat that?
I just said, like, what are you thinking about it? Could you really get an entry now? You're gonna wait for NY probably.
Yeah, I might just wait for NY. At this point, yeah, it's about to be 4 o'clock my time. Yeah, I just might wait for NY. If we don't get that 15-minute closure in about 4 minutes above 151.963 on GJ, yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait.
So I'm looking left here, guys, and I don't like this. We're coming towards a big daily resistance. You see, so if you do this along, so we've got 20 pips until we hit this daily resistance. I hope it blasts past it, please. I'm fucking praying, but we'll have to see at this point. Also, guys, remember we have a news in 30 minutes time. So, so now for pullback support and to retest the highs. Yes, sir. Exactly. That's all we're waiting for right now. But they'll probably happen at NY, and that's completely fine. 20 pips caught before breakfast. Happy days. Wow, amazing. So you got in early. Got in early. I'll tell you what. Tomorrow I'm starting my streams at 7:15 for sure. Some nice entries at that point, I think. Yeah, 7 o'clock here. That was a nice entry as well. Let's look at the 15. Yeah.
Gold might close below. Might starting to break.
Oh, snap. 2 minutes time. Shit. Oh my god. Yeah, look at this hourly candle, bro. This fucking hourly candle's nice. Gold looks gold. So that entry that I gave out there, wow, not too bad, 15 pips. So yeah, if you get this closure over here, let's have a look at the 15. I think you have this support at this zone. Can you see the support here? Does that affect you, Antonio?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, look here. If you got into some cells, you got here, you got here, you got here. That's the only issue with the gold at this point. Symmetrical gold, in profits it runs. Don't talk to me about running gold. Yeah, so for me, gold nap. I think getting in a bit earlier, so what? Like when this flipped, yeah, that would have been nice to be honest, at 8:30. Let's have a look at the 15. Oof, that one there as well, 8 o'clock. Flipping the daily would have been nice as well. For sure. Look at GJ at this point. Let's have a look at GJ. 30 minute. Ooh, yeah, okay. 30 minutes just started. Hourly just started. Okay, okay. Yeah, you can see at this point though. The 5 minutes started to turn, so you can see these 5 minutes. Little bearish candles. GU. Oh my god. GU ain't flying. Hell no, I told you. It closed back in the zone. Can you see here? Okay. Goes back in the zone. Oh, GA. Okay, GA. I was thinking it goes back in the zone, therefore we'll be falling. And look, can you see we will be flipping the daily time frame at that point? Yes, sir. Let's look at GJ. Ooh, look at this pull down. Damn, exceeding the low of the previous 15 minute. Okay, okay. I'm liking this hourly though. The hourly closed solid again. Yesterday when he breaks the 810, he melts to, yeah. GJ was not GJ, gold yesterday. Oh, gold yesterday was so annoying, bro. I was up. I got 10 pips to be honest. I got my 10 pips, but I would have held that bitch on if it started running. But just, it took a bit longer. It was like another 10 more minutes. Oh, and shock, my coffee's fucking freezing again. It's freezing. It's freezing, man. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure to like it. Yes, sir. 49 views of the chat, amazing stuff. Yeah, make sure to spam that like, helps me out considerably. So let's have a look here. Hasn't made a top wick yet, so it's very likely going to make a top wick. But we know we have news coming in at 9:30, so we're hard to get into a trade at this point. I have to wait. I'm just liking how the hourlies are closing very, very strong bullish at this point. Very, very strong. But yeah, just wait for support to form later on in the hourly candles and the, the 30-minute candles, and then at NY session, pre-NY, this will be where the volume will come in, and it'll be pretty tasty, I think. So exceeding the low of the previous 15, so buys, especially people in buys, I'd take some profits off right now if you do exceed the lows. Yeah, I think people trying to get into gold, it's gonna be pretty rough now, because we are at this support right now, and we're coming to this zone right here. I'd wait until NY. I think the trade you could have got into is up here when this candle closed solid. Wait for its top wick at 8:15, and then started flying. I just wasn't looking at the time because I was focusing on GJ. The GJ. But still got half an hour for this candle right here, which ain't too bad. We're just chilling, and tomorrow we'll see if there's any news on as well. Let's have a look. Tomorrow, no news tomorrow. All good. GJ coming down over here. It's got 55 minutes left for this 4-hour candle. That's completely fine. Oh yeah, it's completely fine. Wow, 50 concurrent viewers, amazing, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe. Remember the Magic Keys giveaway. Oh, Magic Keys giveaway is gonna be fun. Look at this bearish movement over here. Oh, I've got nasty juice. What juice are you vaping on here? It's from the shops. It's fucking shit, to be honest. It's got no flavor on. Just nicotine. I said, can I have some? And I forgot to say, I had to tell her what fucking flavor, and the bitch just got me like fucking normal one. Where's this Magic Keys getting off, boy? Let's have a look. 30 minutes time, 15 minutes time. Hasn't made a top wick yet, so you could actually play this little salary play. I'm not gonna lie. Gonna hop off early. I'll see you later, Antonio, my boy.
Peace out, chat.
See you later,
care,
boy.
Guys. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Deuces.
See you at NY as well, my man.
Peace out.
Did it? The goal ran. Oh, wow. Well done, everyone, for getting into that. Wow. I mean, where are your stops going to be? I mean, here. Oh, look at that 5-minute close below. Nice. Looks like gold. Look at gold flying. I'm telling you. Damn. Gold is fucking with people at the moment. God damn. Can you check charts for the stream? Sure thing. I'll check them right now. Let's have a look. Okay, so Steven's got a trade, GJ trade on the 15-minute. Lovely. So this is on when the hourly resistance got a break and close. Bottom wick created first. Bullish volume. Buy stop after wick was passed, aiming for the hourly resistance. Yeah, that's what I was looking for with the buy stops. 9% closed at 2R runner left. Wow, amazing. Amazing. Really, really good trade. And Ruben, let's have a look here. The Libra Australian. Oh wow, okay. So we got some exotic currencies here. 1 second. Wow, so looks like you looked for some sells. We're breaking below. Enter when the break. Potential wick fill. Yeah, closing 90% at the 10 pips. Amazing. So yeah, you look for the wick fill here. Seemed to work very, very nicely for you. Amazing. Really good trades there, guys. Smashed it. Wow, we got loads of people joined this morning. Wow. So yeah, currently waiting on GJ to give us some kind of thing here. It's obviously coming with news as well, so we have to wait for this news at this point. What's the news actually again? Let's have a look today. Final manufacturing PMI. Manufacturing PMI. Looks like gold flew. God damn, you guys flew that gold trade. God damn, that was sick. That was fire. And we're just waiting on GJ. So as exceeded below the previous 15 minute, and now the 30 minute starting to come down at this point. The hourly still hasn't made a top wick, so we know, most cases the hourly will be making this top wick. Just need to wait for the pull down. The 4 hour is going to be closing in 50 minutes time as well, so that's not too bad. Same as the 4 hour, the hourly as well. 21 minutes to the news to come out, so we have to see. GJ going to keep a close watch for now. Yeah, yes, you might dropped again, bro. I think it's here. Yeah, I think with GJ it's so hard because it's already ran quite a lot. I could be making some support and then start running up again. We'll have to see. The news. What's the news actually thinking? Yeah, 60.1 again. Manufacturing PMI. Yeah, the news will be very, very interesting when we get to it, for sure. So 20 minutes left for this candle. Still dropping. Look at this. Look at this 5 minute now. Damn! Still got a lot of time though, to be honest. Amazing. 8 o'clock this candle here. Damn! And that's so funny. So this is what I said, guys. Wait until we get a closure above at this point. Closures are very, very key because this candle came all the way down, closed back in the zone, therefore rejecting those highs. And where's it gonna fall? It's gonna keep in this little range it's got here. So it's in this little range right here, and doesn't know where to go. It's like, bro, I don't know where to go, man. Wow, look at that. Really, really strong bearish pressure there. Look at the 4 hour and the daily. You're starting to leave that zone at that point, which is good, because that zone was pissing me off. It looked like a barcode. Barcode. We don't like barcodes here, I'm telling you. Could you check silver? Yeah, I'll check silver for you. Silver. Is this how you do it? Silver? Oh, fucking hell. That chart looks disgustingly bad. Here we go. Ooh, wow. Looks like it's been bearish. I don't know how silver works. So I can't really give you a breakdown, but I can give you like kind of what it looks like. So, looks pretty bearish to me. But look at these big wicks and, I can't really give you, like, look at this. Look at this price action, bro. I can't trade. I can't really give you much on silver, to be honest. Look at this. This is long term, but long term does look pretty bearish. But like, look at these 15-minute candles. Look at the 5 minute. Like, it's pretty choppy. I don't know how people trade silver. They must trade silver with swinging, to be honest, because I have no idea. So I can't really help you out there, bro. Gold's a bit more chilled. Gold's nice, look. Look at the 30 minutes, clean candles. Those ones are a bit rough. Caught the sells as well. Wow, from gold. Damn, we get the sales of gold. Jeez. That's not too bad at all. It's got 18 minutes left. It's got 3 minutes left for this GJ 50-minute candle to close. That's amazing you caught them sells. How could you have got in? Did you wait for the top wick to form and then let's look on the 15? Yeah, a little top wick and then exceeding the low maybe. Wow, that ran down like 20 pips. That's pretty good. That's pretty solid, to be honest. Let's have a look at the 5 minute here. Need to make some support somewhere. But remember, news is coming very, very soon. News is coming. But it does have a nice wick to fill now, for sure. 950, so that'll be nice. Let's see in 2 minutes time where this closes. If you guys have any like trading or like psychology questions, make sure to ask them in below for sure. For sure. 183 members. That was 183 members in the chat. Amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like the stream. We are here every single day. Let's go. And for NY session, I'm also in my Discord for most days. So in Discord, I'm here. In the voice channel right here. That's where I normally am. And I basically just go through what I'm looking for. So look at these 5-minute candles over here. Let's see what happens when it gets to this level. Wow, look at this drop. So, you know, always, you know, even if it looks huge that it's going to run up 400 pips, you need to always make sure you take profits off for sure. The good news in GBP up. If manufacturing is better, then yeah, sure, could work nicely. Could work nicely. But look at this bearish structure, like we are really pushing down quite heavily, and this in 38 seconds time is going to close bearish. So, but the hourly still looks good. I mean, it is making this low wick. If it does start flipping, then that could be a good entry. But we also know volume starts to die off soon. So, and it has also rinsed quite a lot. I tell you what, if this candle, 4-hour candle closes back in this range, oh my god, that's not going to be good. I'm telling you, it's not going to be good. Let's see where gold's at. Still down. Wow, and it's going to close like this below the ranges. Over here, damn, this could fall pretty nicely. It's already ran like 60 pips. Wow, amazing move. So my GU still in this zone right here. You have to wait very patiently for this zone. But I mean, gold. If you guys have gold runners, I'm telling you, they're gonna look good. I'm not gonna lie. As long as you just trail it on the 15-minute, and you should be good, really, to be honest. So the 50-minute will also be the high of this current 30-minute candle. Look pretty good. So now it's actually on the 5-minute support. Let's see where we go over here. It'll be interesting. And the 30-minute has made a top wick, which is, you know, we know most times we do make a top wick at this point. Let's remove my magic keys, man. Let's remove my magic keys. Yeah, we're just chilling here today. Lovely good morning though, I'm telling you. Alright, let's have a look over here. So yeah, it needs to really respect 680 level. For sure. But this hourly still hasn't made a top wick yet, so I mean, if it does react on support here, we do start flipping. I mean, this could be interesting. I'm not gonna lie. Could be interesting for potential buyers. But obviously, the news is coming. So you know, when news happens, and people don't know, like news could skew your bias. It could be quite annoying. So be careful when news occurs. Okay, careful. Because news can skew it quite a lot, to be honest. Gold continue bearish, so we got the 50-minute closure at this point. I mean, it's possibly if the wick if we do exceed the lows again, that could be. But that'll be, you know, we have a little volume here. But I mean, if volume comes and we start flying, like damn, that could be interesting. I'm not gonna lie. The magic key sound is so loud and scary for no reason when I take it out in the morning. Yeah, like, fuck. It is quite aggressive. I don't know how you can turn it off. I want to turn the noise off. I don't know how to. Ooh, shit. Look at this 5 minute exceeding the highs of the previous over here. Starting to push. There's 12 minutes left to fill this wick up. Could be a good sign. Look at the hourly. If we do flip this, oh, it could be nice for the hourly candle for sure. These strong hourly candles are very, very good though for later on continuation. It's going to be looking fire. If anyone knows how to turn off them magic keys, please tell me. Shit scares me in the morning. I'm like, oh my god, it wakes me up. Come on, I want this GJ to flip over here. So if you go in here, let's have a look. I mean, you could try and expect that 8 pips to there, then 17 pips to there. Not too bad. Just reacting on the support over here. Very, very interesting. Going to send in the Discord. Yes, sir. Make sure you do. Make sure you do. Make sure to send a lot of everything in the Discord. It really helps the Discord. So yeah, anything, all questions, all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, I do like all the questions for Discord. They do help out for sure. Under what section should I send it? Send it on. Send it just anywhere, general or anything, just anywhere. In the lobby, or are you sending? Wait, yeah, just anywhere. Anywhere you fancy, my boy. Oh, look at this 5 minute closure over here. 5 minute play. Be risky, but it could be a bit of fun. 5 minute close and bullish again, making a little 5 minute support on the zone. We literally had this marked out. As long as it doesn't exceed the low here. Pooh. Pooh. Could be interessante because the hourly doesn't have a top wick at this point. Oh shit! I'm very tempted to enter at this point. Look at the 5 minute making support. Way a bit longer for this flip up, but this flip will be nice. It'll be like accelerated play on the 15. Under what section should I? Yeah, just anywhere. I'll have a look. Lobby. Ah! Oh, there we go. The alerts and shit. Nice. Okay. I'll take a look at that. For sure. Right, we're coming up over here. I'm actually going to take a nice little buy at this point. And I actually got in like just here with the magic keys. Wait a bit longer actually. Right, here we go. Yeah, I'm going to do a nice little play here. This is going to be a fun one. I'd advise not taking this because it is quite risky, but I got a 6 pip stop. I'm going to target these highs again on the 5 minute time frame. It's going to be the serial play. 30 minute needs to make a top wick. Stop loss is going to be a break even very, very sharply. This is just a bit of fun because I'm bored for the stream, my man. But yeah, when I make the membership thing, guys, we're going to be having a lot more people talking in the Zoom, which is going to be a lot of fun for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this, to be honest. I'm gonna leave this a break even. Get out of there. But I do think if we do start flipping here at 7 minutes time, it's good. But the only reason why I got out there is because I realized we had 7 minutes left. Do you think 7 minutes is going to be enough to pull this candle all the way back up? Probably not. and that is when the news is going to come. So yeah, that was a bit too risky for me. I was being very, very silly. Keeps me entertained though, man. How much is the membership going to be? $49.99 a month, and I'll do a description of all the stuff. I'm going to put that in, but it's going to be quite a rigorous process, to be honest. It's going to be pretty mad. It's going to be a rigorous, so like every London session, you're going to be in the Zooms. NY, we're going to have a private Zoom chat for NY, and yeah, it's going to be a fun time, to be honest. So still dropping down here. It's got 6 minutes left for this candle to close. With the news coming, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. This hourly still hasn't made a top wick yet. This could be the low of the hourly, but it takes too long. Got 36 minutes left, not too bad. But we've got 6 minutes for the news. We'll really see by news if you can still continue up at this point. Let's have a look. Wow, stream 474 playbacks. That's just amazing. Let's see where gold's continued. So gold's came back up here. Look at this. So I did say, you know, if we do flip this candle and start exceeding the lows, it's going to be good. But here you can see we've exceeded the high. So likely is that people in gold sells, they should have taken some profits there for sure. That'd be nice. Take some profits for sure. Come on, flip that wick, boy. Flip that wick. We know you make top wicks. We know 85%. We make the top wick. If this news comes out good, we will be flipping it. But so good news. If people know, like, good news is when, you know, manufacturing PMI is when it's greater than forecast. So if this number is greater than 60.1, it's going to be looking good for potential buys at this point. And let's have a look. So it's yellow. Is that yellow? I'm colorblind as fuck. So if whatever that is, yeah. And to show that I'm. Oh, has anyone done a colorblind test, bro? I'm so garbage at it. I mean, I'm colorblind, but still, it's quite interesting. Oh shit, we're gonna do it. Oh shit, we're gonna do it, boy! Look at that 15-minute candle. How was your time in Market Foodie? I never took Market Foodie. I never took it. I just went to FOREX Streams every morning for 2 years. So that's all I needed to learn, really. But I think it's really, really good. I think a lot of people rave about it. So yeah, must be good. Because you're so big now, it's not really a one-to-one. Like, for example, mine is going to be more one-to-one. And if you like, I'll do like 15-minute one-to-one sessions where you guys can ask me as many questions as you want, like per person. So yeah. I just lost 5,000 euros. Fucking hell. How did you risk? Were you wanting to risk 5,000, or did you lose it on motions and over trading? How did that work for you? We've got 3 minutes left for news to come out. We'll see about the news, guys. Rest in peace. It's not going to be able to fill it. That's annoying. It's getting a 15 close though. We'll have to see for this news over here. Oh. So let's see where this news comes out. There's always a better one which takes out a lot quicker, gets the news out a lot quicker, but we'll have to wait over here. See where this news takes us. How do you manage to stay happy during trading? Because I enjoy it. It's my passion, so I don't need to stay happy. If you don't enjoy it, you shouldn't be trading. You should enjoy the process. You should enjoy it for sure. So I mean, guys, I'm not gonna lie. If this 15-minute closes like this, we are making support again. Could be okay. I accidentally opened it long on GJ. Did you actually? I'm keeping this here. I want to see this news to be positive to make the lower wick, and if we do start exceeding over here, could fill that wick up for sure. We will see. We will see. How did you accidentally open it? Fuck. God damn. God damn. But yeah, as we are, like, all day we are going to be bullish for GJ for sure, so don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. And for NY, if you're in my Discord, we'll be looking at it. Oh, how do you stay happy with GJ if it's rodeo most times? You just have to get along with it. To be honest, what I do is, if it's just chalked or like just a bit shit, I'll just have a look at gold the whole time. Or if it's really shit for the day, I'll just have a good day and not trade. You just tapped on your mouse next to magic keys. That's funny. Right, in minutes time, you're getting news. Let's see here, let's see. Give me the news, boy. Come on, come on. If someone's on a better website than me to get the news, tell me. This will be interesting. Let's see where it takes us. 5k has gone accidentally executed 10 lots instead of a 0.1. What? Bro, you fucking don't have your leverage on 1 to 500. Don't have your leverage on 1 to 500, bro. Have your leverage on 1 to 25 or 1 to 50, bro. Then that can't happen. I'm telling you. Right. News should be out. Someone got the news for me? Because this fucking website's gash for news. 60.3! Yay! It's a bit better. It's a bit better. But only a bit, to be honest. It's not a lot. It's not a huge amount. But if this 50-minute over here makes a low wick and then exceeds the high, it could be a little option for a buy. But it's just the volume now and the 30-minute closing like this. Ooh, but the hourly hasn't made a top wick yet. But for people, I mean, maybe it's 9:30, which is where the volume does go, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, you can see that we did get positive news, but only just positive. I mean, it wasn't huge. But if we go to it, let's have a look at the previous. Okay, let's have a look at the previous kind of zones here. April. Yeah, so it hasn't changed that much, to be honest. Closing a slight loss, very minor. Let's go. But yeah, kind of bad hours now for volume. Only news can push. Yes, very, very true. Very, very true. If this news gets absorbed in quite nicely, could be good. But yeah, 30-minute closing here. The hourly still hasn't made the top wick. Got 28 minutes left, so can it make that top wick? That is the play. If it does exceed these highs over here, 829, it should be coming back up to the tops for sure. But yeah, that's very, very true. MC, he's learning very, very well. The volume does drop off at this time, so it's very, very hard to get some trades in. if you back test it even for the past couple days, it takes a lot of news to push it between 9:30 and 11:30. Normally the volume does start to drop, and this was the volume time. 6:30, 7 o'clock, 7:30, pushing off absolutely deliciously. If I was in here at 7:30, I would have been in that. It's just my stream started, so I might start at 7:15 for you guys, for sure, so I can get into these trades, because I would have been in that for sure. Let's just get my margin keys off for that time. But yeah, so if you do exceed these highs here, we should come up to these tops, and that'll be interesting for sure. And then the hourly will create the top wick. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna give it a goodbye for now for our live stream. But make sure you like the stream before you have left. We've talked about GJ sells. There's been lots of different places to get in. We saw 730 as a zone. We broke past that straight away. Amazing clean traffic as well. But yeah, guys, I'll see you for NY session, and I'll see you in the Discord as well, guys, if you're there, for sure. So I'll take it easy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Make sure to like the stream before you leave, my guys. Helps a lot. Let's go. See you later, guys.